Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 66 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now if you'd like to grab this for yourself, this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description. Pop. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Let's have a scoop through the magazine. This is the TV show. The duo is Slumming from season 2, episode 66. There you go. Catwoman when in Rome. That's the great Batman comics. Batman Year by Year is 1996, the year my youngest son was born. The Dark Knight faced dark days in 1996 as a new plague not only threatened to wipe out Gotham, but also seemed poised to bring the entire world to its knees. Yeah, they must have known my lad was born. Bless him. This is Contagion Batman. Looks really sinister there, doesn't he? Part 1 there, the Legacy Batman Detective Comics. And this is the car parts today. We've got a console base and we got seat belts going in. And we're going to be fitting them to the console, each side, and then tying them together. So that's what we're going to end up with today, okay? So we'll grab all our bits and bobs and we'll sit and do that and we'll see what we look like, okay? So let's grab our bits and pieces, which is, there's the console there and there's the seat belts. So I'm going to lay them out and see how we're looking. So you've got the bat facing upwards, folks. So we want to do that with both sides. And then we want to take the longer of the loops. And whilst we've got it like this, we want to just feed it through this rectangle, okay? So that's what we're going to do. Let's just do that so I can see what I'm doing. Grab that. I only want to grab the corner. Then I can pull the rest of it through. Like that. Like that. Like that. There you go. You can start easing that through then. I'll just check my buckle. And that's the correct way, so I'm happy with that. That's the first one. Repeat the process with the other side now. What's the betting that don't go as well? So again, make sure I've got it the right way around. Go for a corner, like I did before. Because that just gives me something to pick at with the tweezers then. Just start feeding it through, like so. Once we've got it, that's that one through, so just lay down and check. Like so. Facing up, just like so. So that's what we want there. Which matches our instructions. And then it just says tie them together. So add the two seatbelt pieces together. A weird way, isn't it? But that's what it wants. That's what it will get. So let's spin that round and let's tie them together. So let's just bring that round. We should get ourselves quite a bit there because we can always pull it taut, can't we? And then just tie them together. So go up and over like that. Tie it together, Carl. Just like that. That's what it's telling me to do, so that's what I'm doing. Like that. Pop. And we can just push that up in there. And what that's going to give us is a nice pair of seat belts then. Like that. There you go. So that's what we're going to end up with today. Let's just bung that under there. I'll put a bit of glue on that. Stop that from flapping about then, won't it, Cole? So there you go, folks. That's what you're going to end up with today. Nice couple of seat belts, looking rather sexy, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow the link here all the way to the Fanhome website. There is a clickable version below, and you too can be building one of these iconic Partworks. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a ring, select all, and that will get you notified of upcoming content of Partwork, scale models, that sort of thing. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it, folks. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.